Today we will discuss about quadratic equations, Newton identity. This is the most important of JEE mains. Now, quadratic equations, Newton's identity. Quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, whose roots are alpha comma beta. Sn is equal to alpha power n plus beta power n. Now a Sn plus b Sn minus 1 plus c Sn minus 2 is equal to 0. Now here Tn is equal to a power n minus beta power n, then a Tn plus b Tn minus 1 plus c Tn minus 2 is equal to 0. Now quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 with roots alpha comma beta, then simple a Sn plus 2 plus b Sn plus 1 plus c Sn is equal to 0. JEE Mains 2024 Newton's identity bit from 1 bit. Let alpha beta are the roots of x square plus root 2 x minus 8 equal to 0. If un is equal to alpha power n plus beta power n, then u10 plus root 2 u9 by 2 u8 is equals to. Here un is equal to alpha power n plus beta power n. So the question, u10 means alpha power 10 plus beta power 10 plus root 2 u9 means alpha power 9 plus beta power 9 by 2 u8 means alpha power 8 plus beta power 8. Now here alpha power 10 is common. Alpha power 10 in alpha power 8 is common. So here alpha square. Here alpha power 9 root 2, then alpha power 8 is common, root 2 alpha. Here beta power 8 is common. Now beta square. Here these two things root 2 beta by, so denominator 2 into alpha power 8 plus beta power 8. Now what is the equation? Here x square plus root 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. So alpha is the root. Now alpha square plus root 2 alpha is equal to 8. Beta also root 2. Beta square plus root 2 beta is equal to 8. So this value 8, this value 8. So here 8 alpha power 8 plus 8 beta power 8 by 2 into alpha power 8 plus beta power 8. Now 8 is common. Now alpha power 8 plus beta power 8 by here same 2 into alpha power 8 plus beta power 8. Both gets cancelled. 2 ones, 2 fours. The answer is 4. This is the very easy from Newton identity. Newton identity, so Sn plus 2 plus a into Sn plus 2 plus b into Sn plus 1 plus so c into Sn is equal to 0. So that means we know that equation x square plus root 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. Substitute these value, then x square means Sn plus 2, so coefficient is 1. Now here n is equal to 8. Now here S10 plus root 2 S9 is equal to, so 8 S8. Now here S10 plus root 2 S9 by 2 S8, that is equal to 4. Simple. Here JEE Mains 2025, same question. Let alpha beta be the roots of the x square plus root 3x minus 16 is equal to 0. And gamma and beta are the roots of the x square plus root x square plus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Pn is equal to alpha power n plus beta power n, and Qn is equal to gamma power n plus delta power n. Now P25 plus root 3 P24 by 2 P23 plus Q25 minus Q23 by Q24 is equals to. The solution, x square plus root 3x minus 16 is equal to 0. So these are the alpha comma beta are the roots. So we know that Newton's identity. So Pn plus root 2 Pn minus 1 minus 16 Pn is Pn minus 2 equal to 0. Now P25, so root 2 P24 minus 16 P23 is equal to 0. Now here P25 plus root 3 P24 by 2 P23 is equal to, so is 80. That Newton identity. Now Q25 plus 3 Q23 minus Q24 is equal to 0. Now Q25 minus Q24 by, so Q24 is equal to minus 3. Now this value is minus 3. So in according to problem, P25 plus root 3 P24 by, so plus Q35 minus Q23 by Q24 is equal to, so here this is 8, this is minus 3, 8 minus 3, the value is 5. Means 2025, one more bit. Let Pn is equal to alpha power n plus beta power n. N belongs to n. P10 is equal to 123. P9 is equal to 76. P8 is equal to 47. P1 is equal to 1. Then quadratic equation having the roots 1 by alpha and 1 by beta is. Now here given, so P10 is equal to 123. Then means, so we know that Pn is equal to alpha power n plus beta power n. So P10 is equal to alpha power 10 plus beta power 10 is equal to 123. P1 is equal to, means alpha plus beta is equal to 1. P9 is equal to 76. Then alpha power 9 plus beta power 9 is equal to 76. P8 is equal to 47. So alpha power 8 plus beta power 8 is equal to 47. Here 123 is equal to, so 76 plus 47. That means P10 is equal to P9 plus P8. So these are the conditions. So we know that Newton's idea Sn plus 2 minus Sn plus 1 minus Sn is equal to 0, where n is equal to 8. So S10 minus S9 minus S8 is equal to 0. So S10 is equal to S9 plus S8. So in this equation, these are the same. Then what is the quadratic equation? Here x square, here x, here constant. So x square minus x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. That means x square is equal to x plus 1. Now x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. So these are the quadratic equation. So sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to 1. Product of roots alpha beta is equal to 1. So what is the given? So what is the question? So 1 by alpha, 1 by beta are the roots of the equation. So sum of the roots 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. The LCM is alpha beta, alpha plus beta. What is alpha plus beta? Here 1. What is alpha beta? Here minus 1. That is minus 1. So product of roots 1 by alpha beta. So 1 by alpha into 1 by beta. So 1 by, so alpha beta is minus 1. That is equal to minus 1. So what is the equation? So sum of the roots is minus 1. Finally x square. So minus 1 is the alpha plus beta. That is means plus x. Here minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the equation. Now JEE Mains 2024, one more question. Let alpha comma beta, alpha greater than beta, be the roots of the equation x square minus root 2x minus root 3 is equal to 0. Let Pn is equal alpha power n minus beta power n, and another one n belongs to n. Then so 11 root 3 minus 10 root 2 P10 plus 11 root 2 plus 10 P11 minus 11 P2 is equals to. Now the first equation x square minus root 2x minus root 3 is equal to 0. where alpha, beta are the root. Solution. So equation x square minus root 2x minus root 3 is equal to 0. Alpha, beta are the roots. Now according to Newton identity, then Pn plus 2 minus root 2 Pn plus 1 minus root 3 Pn is equal to 0. This is the first one. Put n is equal to 10. So P12 minus root 2 P11 minus root 3 P10 is equal to 0. This is the first one. Same again, n is equal to 9. So P11 minus root 2 P10 minus root 3 P9 is equal to 0. So this is the one. Here in this question, 11 root 3 minus 10 root 2 P10 plus 11 root 2 plus 10 into P11 minus 11 P12 is equal to 0. Here 11 is common. Now 11 is common, then here 11 is common, here root 3, here P10 now. So root 3 P10. Next, here 11 is common, root 2 P11 plus root 2 P11. Here minus P12. So this is the 11 is common. Now again 10 is, so minus 10 is common. So here minus is there. So root 2 P10. Then 10 is common. Here minus P11. So this is the common 11 and 10. So here 11 is common. Here 10 is common. So here 11 into this value is, so this is the same value. So root 3 P10 is there, minus root 2 P11 is there, minus P11 P12. So this is P12 is there. This value is 0. So 11 into 0, 0. Next, minus 10 is common. That means here minus 10 into root 2. So root 2 P10 now. So minus P11. That means, so this value is minus root 3 P9. So minus 10 into minus root 3 P9, minus into minus plus 10 root 3 P9 is the answer. JEE Mains 2024, one more bit. Let alpha beta roots of the equation x square plus 2 root 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. The quadratic equation whose roots are alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 and 1 by 10 alpha power 6 plus beta power 6. This is one root, this is one root. Now we know that formula, x square minus sum of the roots into x, so plus product of roots in equal to 0. So these are the sum is 1 there and the product of this one. So this is the one question. Now this equation is x square plus root 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus 2 root 2. Alpha beta is equal to minus 1. Sum of the roots, product of the roots. So alpha plus beta is equal to root 2. Then alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 formula is alpha square plus beta square whole square minus 2 alpha square plus beta square. Again alpha square plus beta square formula, alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta whole square. What is alpha plus beta? 2 root 2 whole square means 8. So minus alpha beta means minus 1. So minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2, 8 plus 2 whole square, minus 2 to minus 1 whole square. So 8 plus 2, 10, 10 square means 100. So minus 1 square 1, 1 into 2, 2, this value is 98. This is alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. Again alpha power 6 plus beta power 6. That means alpha cube plus beta cube whole square minus, so 2 alpha cube beta cube. Again alpha cube plus beta cube formula means alpha plus beta into alpha plus beta whole square minus 3 alpha beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta whole cube. Alpha plus beta is minus 2 root 2. So alpha plus beta whole square means 8. So this is minus 1. 8 plus 3 whole square. So this is minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2. So here 8 plus 3 whole square, 11 square, so 121. So minus 2 root 2 whole square means 8. That is 970. So 1 by 10 alpha power 6 plus beta power 6 means so 97. Now here, so we know that equation x square minus sum of the roots 90. So here 98 plus 97 into x plus 98 into 97 is equal to 0. Now x square minus this adds to minus 195x plus so these are the multiply, so 9506 is equal to 0. Finally x square minus 195x plus 9506 is equal to 0. JEE Mains 2023. So one bit, let alpha beta are the roots of the quadratic equation. X square plus root 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. Then alpha power 23 plus beta power 23 plus alpha power 14 plus beta power 14 by alpha power 15 plus beta power 15 plus alpha power 10 plus beta power 10 equals to. So find the value of alpha power 23 plus beta power 23 plus alpha power 14 plus beta power 14 by alpha power 15 plus beta power 15 plus alpha power 10 plus beta power 10. We know that an is equal to alpha power n plus beta power n. So alpha power 23 plus beta power 23 means a23 plus a14 by a15 plus a10. So we know that the equation x square plus root 6x plus 3 equal to 0 where alpha comma beta are the roots. Now x is equal to here minus b plus or minus root or b square minus 4ac by 2a means minus root 6 plus or minus root minus 6 by 2. Now here x is equal to root 6 common iste, so minus 1 plus or minus I root 2 by 2. So there are two roots. Now x is equal to root 3 minus 1 plus or minus I root 3 by 2. So one root alpha is equal to, so polar form alpha is equal to root 3 e power iota 3 pi by 4 and beta is equal to root 3 e power iota 5 pi by 4. This root 3 power 23 e power iota 23 into 3 pi by 4 plus e power iota 23 into 5 pi by 4 plus root 3 whole power 14 is common. So now e power iota 14 into 3 pi by 4 plus e power iota 14 into 5 pi by 4. Now by here also say. Now here 3 power root 3 power 14 is common. Here denominator root 3 power 10 is common. So root 3 power 10, so root 3 power 10 cancel అయితే root 3 power 4 మిగులుతుంది. So now remaining root 3 power 9. So here is same. Here common. So here is same. So denominator also same. So root 3 power 4 means 9. So e power iota 23 into 3 pi by 4 means 1 plus I by root 2. Now e power iota 23 into 5 pi by 4 means minus 1 plus I by root 2. So these are the values 0. This value is 0. Now root 3 power 5. So 1 plus I minus 1 plus I by root 2 plus here also 0. So here 9 into root 3 power 9. So this is simplification. So here 1 minus 1 is gets cancelled. 2i by root 2. So root 3 power 5. So here 1 gets cancelled. So 2i by root 3. Both this gets cancelled. So here both this gets cancelled. Root 3 power 9 by root 3 power 5. Root 3 power 4. That this is also 9. 9 into 9. The answer is 81. JEE Mains 2023. So one more bit. So if alpha beta are the roots of the equation x square minus 7x minus 1 is equal to 0, then the value of a power 21 plus b power 21 plus a power 17 plus b power 17 by a power 19 plus b power 19 is equals to. Now solution, since this equation x square minus 7x minus 1 is equal to 0, a and b are the roots. So now substitute a square minus 7a minus 1 is equal to 0, a square minus 1 is equal to 7a, and squaring on both sides, a power 4 plus 1 minus 2a square is equal to 49a square, a power 4 plus 1 is equal to, so 51a square. So this is the, a is the root, and b also root means b power 4 plus 1 is equal to 51 b square. Now, so according to sum, a power 21 plus b power 21 plus a power 17 plus b power 17 by a power 19 plus b power 19. Now a power 17 is common, a power 4 plus 1, b power 17 is common, b power 4 plus 1 by a power 10 plus b power, a power 19 plus b power 19. So a power 4 plus 1 means 51a square. So 51a square into a power 17 means 51 a power 19 plus 51 b power 19 by a power 19 plus b power 19. Now 51 is common. A power 19 plus b power 19 by, so a power 19 plus b power 19. Both gets cancelled. The answer is 51. One more JEE Mains 2023 bit. Let A belongs to R and alpha and beta are the roots of the equation x square plus 60 power 1 by 4x plus a equal to 0. If alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 is equal to minus 30, then product of all possible values of alpha is. Now alpha beta are the roots of the equation. This one, x square minus 60 power 1 by 4x plus a equal to 0. So sum of the roots is equal to minus 60 power 1 by 4. Product of roots is equal to a. Now alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 is minus 30. That means alpha square plus beta square whole square minus 2 alpha square beta square equal to minus 30. Again alpha square plus beta square formula, this one. So this value alpha plus beta means minus 60 whole power minus 1 by 4. That means 60 power 1 by 2 minus 2 alpha beta is equal to a minus 2a whole square minus 2a square is minus equal to minus 30. Squaring on both sides, 60 whole power 1 by 2 whole square means 60. 2a whole square means 4a square minus 4a into 60 into 60 power 1 by 2 minus 2a square is equal to 30. Now 2a square, here 2a square, next 4a into 60 power 1 by 2 plus here 90 is equal to 0. Now 2 is common, a square minus 2 60 power 1 by 2 into a plus 45 is equal to 0. This is the equation. Now product of roots equals to 45. The answer is 45. JEE Mains 2022, one more bit. Let alpha beta, alpha greater than beta be the roots of the quadratic equation x square minus x minus 4 equal to 0 and Pn is equal to alpha power n minus beta power n belongs to n. Then P15, P16 minus P14, P16 minus P square 15 plus P14, P15 by P13, P14 is equals to. Now this is the solution. So you see the solution and write the sum. Finally the answer is 16. 2024, one more sum. Alpha beta roots of the equation x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0 and Sn is equal to 2023 alpha power n plus 2024 beta power n, then is. So alpha beta roots of the equation x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now here alpha square minus alpha plus 1 is equal to 0. Alpha square is equal to alpha plus 1. Now here beta square is equal to beta plus 1. Now Sn is equal to 2023 alpha power n plus 2024 beta power n. Here means Sn minus 1, Sn minus 2 means 2023 alpha power n minus 1 plus 2024 beta power n minus 1 plus 2023 alpha power 2023 alpha power n minus 2 plus 2024 beta power n minus 2. Now 2023 alpha power n minus 2 is common, 1 plus alpha. 2024 beta power n minus 1 is common, 1 plus beta. Now here 2023 alpha power n minus 2, this is alpha square. So 2024 this is beta square. Now 2023 alpha power n plus 2023 beta power n. That means Sn minus 1 Sn plus 2 is equal to Sn. So put n is equal to 12, S12 equal to S10 plus S11. This is the answer. JEE Mains 2023, one more bit. Alpha beta roots of the equation x square minus root 2x plus 2 equal to 0, then alpha power 14 plus beta power 14 is equals to equation. So to convert to the polar forms, so substitute alpha power 14 plus beta power 14 to simplify. So the answer is minus 128. So this is the same model. So do the homework. Now JEE minus 2022, let alpha beta are the roots of the equation 1 plus x square plus x power 4 equal to 0. Then the value of alpha power 1011 plus beta alpha power 1000 2022 minus alpha power 3033 is equals to. So given equation x power 4 plus x square plus 1 equals to 0. So split the two equations, a square plus a plus 1 into a square minus a plus 1 equal to 0, where x square plus x plus 1, the roots is omega plus omega square. So x square minus x plus 1 minus omega square roots. Finally, x is equal to plus or minus omega square is the roots. Now alpha power 1011 plus alpha power 2022 minus alpha power 3033. So alpha means omega power 1011 means 1, omega power 2022 means also 1, minus omega power 3033 means minus 1. So here both cuts, that is the value is 1.